Okay. Oh my god. I'm so bad. That was so bad. One more. Wait, no, I want a new one. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. Fuck. Okay, that was a little better, but still not amazing. Not amazing. Not my best. Not my best thing ever. Okay. Whew. Hold on. Let me just... Oh. Sorry, I wasn't really... wasn't in the zone for that one. Oh, just gotta do some stretches. Alright, we're in the zone. Alright, easy 900, easy 900. Huh? It was... Huh? How did I start out so bad? Excuse me? How is my start so bad? Whatever. Let me just... Oh my god! Fuck! Sorry. Anyway. 900. Easy 900. Easy 900. Wait. Okay, that one got fucked by the... I had a thing happen here. That one got fucked. That one got fucked on. This is just a rhythm thing, but that one got... That wasn't my fault. That got fucked. That got fucked over. So, anyway. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah, I'm gonna get 900. I'm gonna get 900. I see it. I feel it. This is it. Bum, 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 bum. Who do you think you are? I am. Get the fuck out of my sight. Get this shit off of me. Ugh. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. Let's go. All right. First try. Do the kids use loggy? What the fuck does that mean? What the fuck is a loggy? Excuse me. You have no idea. Who's the kid who voted yes? That's such a great question. You bought enough subs to get control of the mods. Yeah? It's proof. Once again, it's proof that money is all that matters in the world. What is going on here? Hold on. What is happening? They're getting another convert. Oh no. What is going on here? What is happening? What is happening? It's a cult. It's a cult. And then they're converting this fucking random... They have their prisoner.